Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical
And
therapist.
together, we're the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today, we're going to talk about, well, this is the introduction, Brad, to our Stretch and More program.
Stretch and more, so we're going to do more than stretch.
Mobilizations.
Mobilizations is a very critical part for flexibility.
So let's be clear, Brad. This is a fitness program. It's not a rehab program. You might, if you have pain, it might get better, but that's really not the end goal. We're trying to increase the motion of the joint, range of motion.
Right.
So-
or maintain it as we get older, too.
Right,
Yep,
right.
some simple,
So
fun
we're going
ways
to do that
to do
through
it.
stretching and also soft tissue mobilization. Brad, do you want to show the stretching part first?
Sure. So just in case someone's not familiar with the term soft tissue, bones are hard tissue. Soft
Right.
tissue is muscle, ligaments, tendons. Fascia.
Yep.
All right, so I'm going to use my hamstring as an example. So here, my hamstrings go from the knee to the hip, basically, and as I do this, that muscle has to stretch out. If it's a tight muscle, I cannot straighten my knee. If it's loose and flaccid, I can fully straighten my knee and bend forward. So this is going to represent my hamstring. As I go forward, look at the letters right here. It says let's fit, whatever. But you can see it stretch.
Right.
And it stops right there. I can't go anymore. But if I work on stretching it, I'm going to exaggerate here, but that's what we want to get, is that muscle to elongate and without pain and do it without risk for injury. And that takes some time and a little practice.
Why don't you hand that muscle to me, Brad?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
The let's
So
fit
another
muscle.
way to stretch these tissues is actually to mobilize them. And you can actually get in there, and let's say I'm having trouble with a specific part of the muscle.
Might be knotted up.
Yep, I can roll on a ball. Let me show you on my hamstring.
So another word for mobilizing in this case is massage, an aggressive deep massage.
Right, and I'm finding the tender spot. And
Yes.
while I'm on that spot, I can even do a little flossing.
So what he means by that is the ball, you can't see it, but it's under there on the hamstring muscle belly, and it's putting pressure on that tight spot.
Right.
And he's going to extend his knee, and that makes the muscle go over the top of that ball. And
So if it's a tender spot, you want to keep working on it until the pain starts to go down.
right.
So you can do it with a massage gun. You can do it with foam roller. You can do it with balls. You
Yeah.
can do tennis balls.
And these same concepts that we're talking about apply to any muscle in the body. So if
Right.
you want to stretch your hamstrings, your calf muscles, chest muscles,
Quadriceps.
yep, you can do the same thing. Just be careful with the massage gun that you don't get too close to the bone, because it's going to be uncomfortable and not productive. It'll just hurt.
So again, this is the introduction. There's a whole series of videos that we talk about stretching, and we'll talk about different parts of the body.
Right.
So you go to bobandbrad.com, go to the program section, and look for the program on stretching and more, and you'll look under there. You'll find, I don't know how many videos we got. I mean,
Just say a couple hundred.
a couple.
No, it's not. It's going to be about 15 or 20.
Yeah, exactly. And you click on them. You can also get what, Brad?
Oh, is this going to have the PDF
Yes.
printout as well?
Yes.
So it's going to have a review of the whole video. They're usually about 5 to 10 minutes long. We're going to have pictures of the
Yes,
stretches.
we'll have photos.
Yes, pictures of how to stretch. It's a great deal. We don't even ask for your email. It's completely FREE. Free.
Free.
Free.
All right.
I'm a free spirit.
Yeah, wonderful.
Be careful.
Thanks.